Baby, it's time to eat. Mommy
Baby.
walked with a bowl of pasta. Baby, she called. Come and sit. It's time for pasta.
Baby,
Now, say ow, baby.
baby,
Said Mommy with a spoonful of pasta. Baby smiled and said meow, meow, and opened his mouth. Oh, that's a cat.
uh-huh,
Cats like fish and baby likes pasta, said Mommy. And baby ate pasta. Open your mouth, baby, Mommy said. Baby opened his mouth.
quack.
He said, quack, quack. Uh-huh, that's a duck. Ducks like bread and baby likes pasta, said Mommy. And baby ate pasta. Open your mouth, baby,
Baby.
Mommy said. Baby opened his mouth. He said,
No.
"Moo." It's a cow, Mommy said. Cows like
Baby.
grass. Baby likes pasta. Eat, baby. And baby ate pasta. Open your mouth, baby, Mommy said. Baby opened his mouth. He said, well, that's a dog.
to the
Dogs
doggy.
too like pasta. Shall I give this pasta to the doggy? Okay, this one goes to the
Okay.
baby then.
Mama.
Baby finished her pasta. Mama clapped. And the baby joined.